What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works. What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a healthy weight loss and digestion supplement that uses a potent dose of herbal extracts based on plants, probiotics, prebiotics, polyphenols, vitamins and minerals to reduce belly fat. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic creator Mike Banner was inspired by the Japanese island of Okinawa. He reportedly visited Okinawa and took a nutrient-rich and powerful fat-crushing drink that led to better health for him from the inside out. Now, with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, he wants to share this formula with the world. What are the ingredients of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a supplement rich in antioxidants, probiotics, prebiotics, herbal extract, polyphenols, vitamins and minerals. Together these ingredients will help you have a faster metabolism, and that contributes to fat burning, will help you to have more physical and mental energy. You will have more disposition. Who is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is suitable for people who wish to lose weight, speed up metabolism, lose fat. How to use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? It is recommended that you make a tonic by putting a spoon of the product in the water and take it daily before 10 a.m. You need to take it every day or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. Does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic have a guarantee? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has a 100% satisfaction guarantee policy. It is backed by a 100% refund guarantee for 90 days. You can request a full refund of your supplement within 90 days of purchase and all your money is returned. Simply return the bottle to receive a refund. Is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic FDA approved? Yes. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is made in an FDA-approved and GMP facility with regular checks and tests of power and quality. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic really works, is a 100% natural compound, effective and has no side effects of any kind. Java Burn is for people who want to lose weight, lose fat and speed up metabolism. If you have difficulty losing weight, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can help you. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic helps speed up metabolism. With a faster metabolism, the body can burn fat and spend more energy, which helps in slimming, weight loss and fat loss. It is important to stimulate acceleration in metabolism as people who have slow metabolism have much more difficulty in losing weight and fat. Where to buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Original you will only find on the official website of the product, and to help you I left the link of the official website of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic just above for you. Access.